Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create profile maker picture in Adobe Express. So let's started. At first, open your Adobe Express. Now you can see, open the Adobe Express in your interface. Now scroll your mouse. Now you can see, now select from profile picture maker. Now click. Now select from picture. Now find your picture. Now click for open option. Then generate from profile picture maker. Now you can see then we show the many profile picture maker. Now we can see now select from then loading. Now any source from choose the profile maker. Now I click from now I choose the profile and its picture. Now select. Now click for download option. Then the download. Now check this download picture in the open. Now wait for some moment in the open picture. That it's. Now I can see create profile picture maker in Adobe Express is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.